Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Key Bear. Happy birthday to you. And many Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Take that picture, take that picture.
Blow it up.
Well, I'm putting that on YouTube.
Make a wish.
We gotta cut the layer top off.
Baby Fifi.
Girl. Turn it around. Let us see. Let us see. Say hi.
Come on. As soon as they get one of these done.
That song, let's get us some reviews. So you guys, I just got to Joann's. I want to do Valentine's Day is on Sunday the 14th, so I want to do like a DIY Valentine's Day shoot. So I wanted to come here to grab a couple of things. This is pretty. These are 30% off. So if you get like a couple of these for your little photo shoot or single ones, you can mix them. And Valentine's isn't a specific color, you know, they just always have red and pink out. But you can grab whatever you want. Hey guys, so if I didn't explain here, I am making my boyfriend a Valentine's Day basket with some of his favorite goodies. As you can see, I have a bunch of different candy, and yeah, all of this stuff was from the Dollar Tree 99-cent store, so you can get creative with these things. If you guys want me to do more of these little DIY stuff, let me know down in the comment section. I always have fun with these kind of things, and it's very inexpensive and so good to give to people. But Making this basket was a little struggle because everything wasn't trying to like stand up straight, but I got it done to the best that I could, and I think it looks pretty good. So I have his clippers that he wanted. These are the Andes T outliner trimmers, and then I also got him some Mike and Ike's. We love these. These are some M&Ms, chocolate M&Ms. These are his one of his favorite chips. These are from the Dollar Tree. They are so good, but they have them like in the grocery store, but we get ours from the Dollar Tree. We have some white Kit Kats. I just got this Russell Stover assorted chocolates, some mini Chips Ahoy, the chewy kind. We really don't like the hard ones. I got him some floss because he always asks me for floss. The little Snicker, like 6-pack, I have it taped. And then these are some golden Oreos. Can never go wrong with Oreos. And another bag of chips here. I think it looks really good. And then I just got this bucket from Dollar Tree. I think it looks good. And then I have his Valentine's Day card there. And then I'm just gonna throw this all around. And that is it, y'all. For really simple, I just threw it in like this because the bottom is skinny, and then I just threw the cologne on top, and it's not open, so cool. And then I can go back. Hey y'all, it's the next day. I was heading on my way downtown to Flower District, so I will leave some pictures because I really didn't get to vlog this day. I got a new phone. You ready? So I've been seeing everyone do this, and I want to do this so bad. So here she is. She comes off so easily. Okay, we're not gonna mess you up already. Let me just to Apple and these new phones, they don't come with the box. But like our old phones, am I tripping or not? Didn't every phone come with like the little box? And now the box is different. And the box is like $20 to $30. And I'm like, for as much as we're paying for a phone, it doesn't come with an adapter. Signed by Apple in California. I'm just messing up. Plug. As I'm upgrading from a iPhone 8 Plus. Now I've had this phone for a long time. So yeah, I'm really excited to upgrade to 3 cameras. And really the only reason I'm kind of upgrading, well, of course I wanted to get a new phone. Also because I ended up getting water in the back of my phone, like where the camera is, and it wouldn't like focus on the object that I was trying to capture every time. It was just like zoom in, zoom out, all of this nonsense, and I cannot have that because when I go out, of course I need my photos, and this is just gonna be photo ready. It's just gonna be photo ready. But anyway, back to the unboxing. So it just comes with this little Apple sticker. Of course, I usually don't use those. And like I said, the adapter. So you do have to purchase that. And that's it. The phone itself, I got her in Pacific Blue. I got the iPhone 12 Pro, if I didn't mention. I was looking at the Max, and I was really gonna get her, but I just ended up going with the Pro because she fits really well in my hand. Now I can say, when I take this case off, that I was a little offended how I was offended how the 12 Pro looked up against my A plus. My A plus is a really, you know, a decent size, and usually when I have it in my hand, you know, it's a decent size. But I feel like this is still a decent size, but a lot of people were saying the screen is about the same as the A plus, and I took that in mind, so I ended up going with the 8 plus, and she feels really good. I just love these crisp sides that they went with. So perfect. That square, because I remember on the 8 plus it's just like round to it, if you want to say, but these are perfect square. Look at that. So cute. I have to get a screen protector. Of course, I also need to get the adapter. I also need to get a couple of cases. I know TJ Maxx and Marshalls usually have a lot of cute cases, but I'm just so excited. I'm gonna turn her on soon. Our Wi-Fi is down, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to set her up, but when I get to work tomorrow, where the Wi-Fi jumping, I'm definitely gonna set her up tomorrow. And then I also didn't set her up in store, so I am going to probably go back and have them activate my SIM card. I don't know how that's gonna work, because I know that the SIM card or something about this phone having 5G now. But I'm just doing all this talking. But do y'all see this phone though? I'm kind of glad. I was debating, do I want Pacific Blue or gold? Now I usually, with iPhones in the past, I've gone with rose gold, and I think always rose gold. My friend was saying I should get the gold, but they didn't have it at the time. I could have ordered it, but I think I went with the perfect one, Pacific Blue, because it is so pretty. So pretty, and just look how crisp she is. So I'm excited to take pictures with her, most importantly, and I'm just happy that I got a new phone. So this was like a Valentine's Day gift to myself and an early birthday. My birthday's next month, but still, you know, I had to get a new phone for my vacation, of course. So anyway, if you got the new iPhone 12, or if you got any phone, what current phone do you have? Are you gonna upgrade? Are you gonna not upgrade? Are you gonna keep your current phone? Just let me know down in the comments, and let me know if you guys want to see what's on my iPhone video next. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It was short, it was straight to the point. That's all I got for y'all. But anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.